Here's your 48-hour weather discussion for Iowa DOT. Starting out with current conditions now, we see dry conditions across the state with temperatures in the lower teens across northern Iowa, spanning to the lower 20s across southern Iowa. Today we're going to talk about dry weather continuing through the rest of the afternoon into the evening and overnight hours. We'll talk about some snow developing from southwest to northeast as our next storm system comes in. Behind that area of snow, as the precipitation begins to weaken, we could see some freezing rain in the wake of the snow. A light glaze of ice is possible in some spots. Overall, a general 1 to 3 inches of snow is expected through the morning into the early afternoon hours. Running through our model here, we'll pick things back up at 9 p.m. tonight. We see dry conditions across the state with a general southeast wind at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Moving along to 3 a.m. Sunday, we start to see those first hints of snow developing in far eastern Nebraska, beginning to overspread far western Iowa as we head towards 6 a.m. on Sunday. Some light to at times moderate snow will begin to develop after around 6 a.m. That snow will push into central sections of the state around 9 a.m. and slide in into eastern sections at around noon. We'll start to see the snow decrease in coverage and intensity at around 3 p.m. during the afternoon, with some possible freezing drizzle behind that snow. As that precipitation or snow begins to weaken, we'll start to see some of that drizzle slowly develop with a light glaze possible in some spots, but I think ice amounts will generally be around 1/100 of an inch at best. That snow finally kicks out at around 6 p.m., with some freezing drizzle possibly hanging on through the evening hours. We might have to wait until around midnight Sunday for complete dry conditions across the state. Moving along to 6 a.m. on Monday, we see those dry conditions continuing, but as we head towards Monday afternoon, we start to see hints of our next storm system that'll push in Monday into Tuesday, and our next video will handle that system. Total snow for Sunday morning into the afternoon hours. Again, a general 1 to 3 inches is expected, but the higher amounts across far northern Iowa and lesser amounts as we head towards the south. An isolated spot of up to 4 inches is possible, especially near that Minnesota-Iowa state line, but I think most places are generally in that 1 to 3 inch range. Running through our temperatures now, we'll pick things up tonight for overnight lows. We generally see widespread teens across the state, with those lower teens across northern sections and approaching 20 degrees across the south. Highs tomorrow, temperatures do warm up just a tad, with some lower 30s possible across southern parts of the state, but we do hang on to those lower 20s across northern parts. Moving into the overnight for your Sunday night into Monday, we'll look at general teens again across much of the state, warmer temperatures in the south, colder temperatures in the north.
Additional information can be found on Weather Century Online. If you have any questions, consultations are available via the online consulting forum. Have a great day.